To get the latest update from the Naja, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.
If you think that you have a good aptitude for numbers and you want to make a career in finance, then accept the fact that you are born to be a chartered accountant. Pursuing CA as a career option is no by means an easy task. One needs to go through plenty of exams and long training sessions. The path to become CA starts with an aptitude test that is held every year. So let us study something, let us give me information something about CA Foundation. CA Foundation exam highlights. It is named as CA Foundation exam. It is conducted by ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. The level of exam is in national level, that is every paper, every exam is conducted as the same question paper is throughout the nation. The frequency of exam is twice a year, May and November. Mode of exam is offline, that is pen and paper based, not like online. Some of the exams are going on. Mode of registration is done online. There are four number of papers. Two are long answers, multi subjective, and other is multiple choice options. Basic eligibility is past class 12 or appearing for class 12 in current year. Exemptions are graduates and postgraduates who have done their graduates and postgraduates. They do not need to give the CA foundation, they can directly shift for the IBCC. Let us study some of the steps how to clear your exams and how to make your planning. The first basic step is understand the CA foundation exam and pattern and its syllabus. There are two types, as I said, subjective, that is / long answer questions, where you need to write 100 marks papers are there. The two subjects are principles and practice of accounting, which is for 100 marks, where you need have totally account based. Second is business law and business correspondence reporting, that is for 40 marks, and it is for English is compulsory. You can offer Hindi also, but this section of business correspondence and reporting, which is of 40 marks, you need to attempt in English only. There is no other option. Next is multiple choice questions. It has a negative marking scheme, and 1/4 of the marks will be deducted for every wrong answer, which means if you given one answer as a wrong answer, so your marks would be deducted as 1.25. So if you give four questions as a wrong answer, then your marks would be deducted would be 5. So you need to be very careful in multiple choice options. Mostly the answers sound same, so you need to be very thorough in this, that what would be the particular accurate answer on it. So those two subjects are business mathematics, which is for 40 marks, logical reasoning for 20 marks, and statistics for 40 marks. And the next is business economics, which is for 60 marks, and business and commercial knowledge is for 40 marks. So you need to analyze the subjects, exam pattern, how you need to prepare. Let's see. Step 2. Prepare a timetable. Since you know what are your subjects, what are your strengths and weaknesses, so you need to make a timetable according to it. Now check the CA Foundation syllabus and identify the tough subject for you. Give top priority to those subjects which you have less knowledge and subject difficult as per you. So if you have a theory which is very difficult for you, or practical is difficult for you, so you need to give more time to them, you need to focus more on them, you need to make sure that you are thorough in that, and you need to plan accordingly. So if your accounts are weak, you will focus more on accounts. If your economics is weak, you will focus more on economics. Tough subject need to be allotted during morning time. It is said that morning time is a very fresh time. So if you give as you would be sleeping for 6 to 8 hours, so your mind would be fresh and it would grasp easily the tough subject, so it should be given in the during the morning time. Timetable should have 2 or more revision of all subjects. When you plan, there would be a time limit to you, so you would be knowing what is your time limit. So plan according and make sure you have a revisions for two, at least two or more. How depends on you. So how you will calculate the time? How you will calculate it? Make a total of your portion, that is the number of pages of all subjects, including practice manual, other reference books. Now, why will make a total? Because you need to refer your practice manual. You need to refer your other references books, which I'll suggest you in the some of further slides. So if you will divide by number of chapters, it would be some chapter would be small, some would be big. So you can't make sure that if you will target more and if you won't be able to fulfill it, then you will be discouraged. So plan accordingly to page numbers would be an standardized one. Number of pages would be there. You have to divide by time you have, that is the number of days. You can't divide by month, you have to divide by number of days you have to prepare for exam, including your revision time. Your revision time would be 15 days, 1 month, so you need to include that, and then you need to calculate. Suppose you have for 60 days, which includes your revision time also. That means revision time you will give for 20 days, suppose. So you will divide by 40 days, then revision timetable would be a different timetable. Will give you number of hours required to prepare for exam. So then you will accordingly get the number of hours. Note the speed of reading and calculating sums is different. So plan accordingly. So if you are giving an equal time, like suppose for there are 650 pages and you divide it by 5, varies with speed, you will get the some amount, some number of days, but number of hours, but that doesn't mean that it is equal to for solving the sum. So you need to allot more time for sums, and reading speed varies from person to person. Some have a speed of 3 per page hour, some have 4, some have 5, some have more than that. So you need to make sure how you are planning. Make a very good plan. Now, step 3, prepare with the best CA foundation books and study material. Always have an updated books if you are planning, so that it contain everything you need as per laws. The institute keep on updating the books, keep on giving the notifications, keep on giving amendments. So if the book will contain it, it would be easy for you. So for first paper, Principles and Practice of Accounting, these are the books suggested by Google and some of the sites. First is Tulsian, second Gupta and Agarwal, third is Sharma, fourth is Paduka. When you select your book, some have an habit that they need a very detailed theory and less of questions, whereas there is a reverse, people who need the theory plus many solving questions. Personally, I have referred Paduka, which is very good, but look at the site, look at the book, and then plan accordingly ki how you need a book, which language is more comfortable for you. Just refer while before purchasing and then go for it. Second, for business law and business correspondence, again PC Tulsian, Goga, Kuchul and Paduka. For paper 3 max logical reasoning, there is Dr. T. Padma, Paduka, Tulsian, C.A. Rajesh Jogani. Sorry. Paper 4 business economics and business commercial knowledge, we have the R.C. Bhatt, Arora and Taxman. These are some of the books which are very good for these subjects. Now step 4, make sure you have CA Foundation revision notes. Revision notes are very important for you. You need to make your own notes so that notes are for specially exam days. You don't have much time during exam days. So if you have 50-page chapter, read it, understand it, write in your comfortable language. Those 10 pages max of your notes should cover those 50 pages. You need to write in Hindi, in your any language, English, Hindi, your mother tongue. Write it such a way that when you read it, you need to understand that those 50 pages in very short period. Exam time, there is during exam time there is very limited time and you need to cover everything. You need to cover the chapters. There are so many chapters, so make sure you have very handwritten notes of yourself. Step 5, solve mock test papers and previous exam papers. This will give you a knowledge where you stand and to understand the level of the exam. Step Other important points: command over calculator. Since you have an allowance of calculator, make a very good use of it. There is an option of GT MRC when the calculation in accounting and maths are very huge, especially in stats. So you need to make a very good thorough hand on your calci. Never use a new calci in exam. Highly recommended is whatever you are using in your daily purpose, please carry it. The hands are fixed, the fingers touch are very soft to it, and it has a very feminine familiar touch, so it will give you a very comfort level during exam. Next, for non-math students, those who have not opted during 11th and 12th, provide more attention to on statistics and logical reasoning. The level of maths is quite a good level, high level, so you need to focus on them. You have many formulas in this, so you need to learn it and you need to be very quick in it, very quick in calculations, very thorough in your formulas. Last, take short breaks after 2-3 hours of studies. Break will help you to focus more, improve your learning, and relax your mind and speed up your learning. So, break is a must. Hope these steps will help you to clear your CA foundation. Thank you.